Jar Turchin here, Director of Advanced Manufacturing Programs at Blackfox Training Institute. I wanted to take a quick moment to talk about the online instruction programs and self-paced e-learning that Blackfox has to offer. We currently offer a full suite of IPC courses. All courses that are approved by IPC for online learning are currently being offered and taught through live online instruction by Blackfox Master Instructor trainers. Blackfox will also soon be offering 25 technical competencies in an online e-learning self-paced environment. Those 25 technical competencies are broken up into over 550 technical skills. Those 25 technical competencies are broken up into topics such as aerospace manufacturing, materials, cutting tools, CNC manufacturing, engineering drawings, programmable logic controllers, lean manufacturing, Six Sigma, and robotics, amongst a number of others. Those are the technical skills that we'll be offering through our e-learning platform. We also offer a suite of employability skills. Those employability skills are things like communication, customer service, life skills, geometry and math, stress management, team building, and time management, amongst others. We thought it was important to also offer these employability skills because we believe that employees with strong employability skills will be invaluable members of a high-performing collaborative team. I would also like to mention that we have a number of career programs such as advanced manufacturing technicians, apprentice tool makers, drafting and CAD technician, quality assurance technicians, aerospace quality technician, and CNC machining center production technician, amongst a number of others as well. These programs are WIOA approved for funding. With them being WIOA approved, that significantly reduces the cost impact to the employer and or student. These 12 career programs can be completed in 3 months or less with only 15 hours of study per week. We are excited and eager to get this launched, and we'd love for you to be a partner with us in that launch process. If you are at all interested in being part of this pilot, please contact me for further information. This is an exciting program for us, and I look forward to bringing you more information on it. Please make sure to subscribe to our channel to get further updates. Bye.